Welcome back to the discovery of H. pylori's role in causing ulcers. Let's review what you learned in the last module. Remember, the hypothesis underlying these experiments is that H. pylori present in the stomach causes ulcers. Do you notice something missing? Scientists often leave out the observation portion of the hypothesis because they're either too lazy to write it out or they assume that you're familiar with the observation. Although this is not the best practice, it happens all the time and is something you should be aware of. Okay, back to what I was saying before. In the last module, you were tasked with creating an experimental outline. Here's what you came up with. For your experiments, H. pylori taken from humans with ulcers would be grown in the lab. These samples would become your experimental samples. For a control sample, you agreed to use harmless bacteria. Both samples will be implanted into two sets of mice, your experimental group and your control group. If the hypothesis is true, then we would expect the mice who receive the H. pylori to develop ulcers, while the control mice should show no effect of the harmless bacteria. Are you ready to start the experiment? Click here to start.